Hello, wanderlust-filled friends. Have you ever dreamt of escaping the grind of a 9-to-5 job and making money while exploring the world? Stick around because today we're diving into practical and hands-on ways you can earn money while traveling. We'll unveil a few unconventional yet lucrative job ideas that can keep your adventure budget healthy. We'll explore everything from freelancing to creative work and even seasonal jobs. Ready to turn your dream into reality? Let's get started. Why is financial flexibility crucial for travelers? Well, imagine you're trekking through the breathtaking landscapes of Peru, then suddenly your funds run dry. Ouch, right? Financial independence not only assures your freedom, but significantly minimizes the stress that can come from money troubles. Traditional 9-to-5 jobs often bind you to a specific location, but imagine a life where your office is wherever you find Wi-Fi, be it a beach in Bali or a cafe in Paris. Think about that freedom versus the routine and restrictions of an office job. The possibilities open up immensely. You work as you please, exploring new regions and cultures without the constant tug of financial insecurity. Sounds exciting, right? Well, it's entirely within your reach. One great way to start earning and saving money while traveling is through volunteering. Programs like WWOOF, Worldwide Opportunities on Organic Farms, and Workaway offer positions that typically provide room and board in exchange for your work. You could find yourself teaching English in a small village in Vietnam or working on an organic farm in New Zealand. Not only do you save money on accommodation, but you also immerse yourself deeply in the local culture, a priceless experience. Volunteering blurs the lines between work and life, offering more than just financial rewards. Take a moment and imagine you're stepping into a community project in Kenya, where you not only teach children, but also learn Swahili. Developing that cultural bridge can be more satisfying than earning a paycheck. Freelancing provides another excellent opportunity. Whether you're a graphic designer, writer, or translator, there are numerous platforms like Upwork and Fiverr where you can find gigs. Establishing a steady client base might require some time and effort initially, but once done, it's like having a portable business that travels with you. Imagine waking up in Thailand, answering a few emails, and then hitting the beach while your clients are sound asleep across a different continent. That's the beauty of freelancing. It lets you work your own hours. Just remember to manage your time efficiently and set realistic deadlines to avoid burnout. Ever thought about becoming a tour guide or working in a hostel? Many travelers find hospitality and tourism jobs rewarding. You could guide tours in historical cities like Rome or work as seasonal staff in bustling tourist hotspots like Ibiza. Consider this. A few years ago, Sarah from Toronto decided to work in a hostel in Barcelona. She now speaks fluent Spanish, understands Catalan culture to its core, and has lifelong friends from around the globe. And let's not forget, she funded her travels through Spain and beyond. Jobs in this sector often come with fringe benefits like free accommodation or meals, making them attractive for budget travelers. Teaching English abroad is another prevalent and fulfilling option. Programs like TEFL, Teaching English as a Foreign Language, can set you up with certifications needed to teach around the world. You could find yourself in bustling cities like Tokyo or serene villages in Vietnam, all while making a substantial income. Take Mike, for example. He was a software engineer in the US who felt burned out. After obtaining his TEFL certification, he moved to South Korea to teach English. He's been there for 3 years, loves the culture, and has enough savings to take spontaneous trips across Asia. Plus, teaching online platforms like VIP Kid offer remote teaching opportunities, allowing you to conduct classes from virtually anywhere with a decent internet connection. Are you the artistic type? Your crafts, photography, or even blogging can become a source of income. Platforms like Etsy and Shutterstock allow you to sell your work globally. If you have a keen eye for photography, why not sell your shots of exotic destinations? Blogging and vlogging can also bring in revenue through ad partnerships and sponsorships. Picture this. Emma is an avid photographer who quit her job to travel the world. She sells her photos on Shutterstock and writes travel blogs. She makes enough to support her journeys, and the creative satisfaction she gets is unparalleled to her previous corporate job. Creativity mixed with a business sense can be a potent combination for travelers seeking freedom and income. Digital nomadism is blooming, and for a good reason. Jobs like coding, digital marketing, and customer service have gone remote. Websites like remote.co and We Work Remotely list multiple positions that can be done anywhere across the globe. Sure, remote jobs offer financial stability, but they also come with challenges like working across different time zones and finding a reliable internet connection. However, once you find your rhythm, the pros outweigh the cons. Jenny from Australia turned her digital marketing job into a remote position. Now, she works from charming cafes in Prague one month and from beach resorts in Bali the next. She's made a name for herself in the digital marketing community while never having to stick to one place. Looking for short-term commitments that fit in around your travels? Seasonal and agricultural work might be your answer. Jobs like fruit picking in Australia, working at ski resorts in Canada, or farm work in Europe can provide steady income. Countries often have working holiday visas that make these jobs accessible for travelers. Let's take an example. Ben traveled to New Zealand and took up seasonal work in vineyards. It not only paid well, but also gave him an in-depth understanding of viticulture. Seasonal jobs allow you to experience a country's culture up close while earning enough to fund your further adventures. In summary, making money while traveling doesn't have to be an unachievable fantasy. From freelancing to seasonal work, the opportunities are abundant. To succeed, keep these tips in mind. 1. Plan ahead. Having a rough idea of your financial status and job plans can help tremendously. 2. Manage your time efficiently. Balancing work and travel requires excellent time management skills. 3. Stay organized. Keep track of your projects, deadlines, and finances. 4. Be adaptive. Travel plans and jobs can be fluid. Adaptability is key. 5. Network. Building a network can open doors to more opportunities and make your journey smoother. Excited yet? The road might come with challenges, but the reward of living your dream is worth it. What's your opinion on these options? Do you have any unique experiences to share? Let's hear your thoughts in the comments below. Ready to embark on a journey of work and travel? You've got this! Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and insights into living a life untethered. Keep exploring, keep earning, and most importantly, keep living your dream.